Welcome to the Android Ethical Hacking and Penetration Testing course. This course is brought to you by Muharrem Aydin and Hülya Özdemir. We're computer engineers and cybersecurity experts, and we will be your instructors in this course. The objective of this course is to teach you Android penetration testing with full hands-on demos and practices. First, I want you to learn what's happening behind the scenes. So that means I'm going to be talking about the Android architecture, Android security model, and developing a basic Android app in the developer overview section for you so that you can better understand the background of the Android operating system and its development over the years. So I'm going to ask for your patience in these sections. We've got a lot to get through. What's really exciting is we take a hands-on approach to these practices of the attacks, and you can make them on your own computer. Now, in the beginning of the course, we'll be setting up a laboratory for you to use throughout the course, installing all of the necessary virtual machines and tools. So I present to you the main sections of this complete and comprehensive course. So let's have a look at what we're going to learn in each section briefly. I'll introduce you to Android, so in this section you'll get to know the history of Android and the Android ecosystem. In Android architecture, you will learn the Android software stack, Android runtime, and the Analyze APK file structure in Android Studio. Android security model. So in this section, you're going to get to know the application sandboxing, permissions, and SE Linux. And in the Android internals section, you'll see the developer overview for Android apps, types of mobile apps, and you'll also learn how to create Android virtual devices, Android components, and you'll develop a basic Android app yourself. Now, for setting up the laboratory, we've devoted a whole section where you set up the laboratory to be ready for the course and the different hands-on practice that we will do. You'll install Kali, VirtualBox, Android Studio, Genymotion, MobSF, VS Code, APK Studio, APK Tool, Android Debug Bridge, and the bytecode viewer. It's also important for you to learn how to connect an emulator or real device, as well as Kali and routing basics. Now, Android's static security analysis is an entire section devoted to reverse engineering an APK file, information gathering, repackaging, reassigning an APK, static analysis with MobSF, root detection, and obfuscation techniques. And then we get to Android pen testing. So in this section, this is where you'll learn OWASP Mobile Top 10 Vulnerabilities, and you'll perform security testing on intentionally vulnerable mobile apps. So I also want to tell you who this course is targeted for. It's for penetration testers who want to do a penetration testing against Android mobile phones, application developers who want to write secure mobile applications, but basically anyone who wants to protect themselves against mobile attacks.